All right, those were just my street tacos that I dipped in butter and cinnamon sugar. Now I'm gonna place these in the oven at 400 for 8 minutes. All right, while our tortillas are in the oven, I'm gonna grab a large bowl and I have my cream cheese. I'm using the Tillamook, and we are gonna use the whole 8 ounces of this cream cheese right in our bowl. There we go. Took a while, but we finally got there. Now we are gonna grab some powdered sugar. I'm gonna add about half a cup of powdered sugar. Okay, that looks good to me. Finally, we're gonna add a little bit of vanilla extract, and we're gonna go ahead, put it right in there, just 1 teaspoon. Okay, now we are gonna blend these together until well mixed. My cream cheese was softened. I left it out for a few hours. So we gotta make sure you do that so that we get a nice kind of cheesecake texture. All right, you guys, that looks perfect. Let's go ahead and grab those tortillas. Okay, I got our little dessert tortillas. They're all cooked up and crisped up. I transferred our little cheesecake no bake into a piping bag, and we are gonna go ahead and pipe some of this right into our little tortillas. So kind of get it right in there as much as you can. Perfect. Okay, now that they're all filled up with our cheesecake, we are gonna finish these off with some blueberry pie filling. Nothing better than cheesecake and blueberry. You can do whatever pie filling you like, but I love blueberries, and we're just gonna put them right on top like that, just a small little scoop. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be so delicious. You could do strawberries, you could do cherries, you could do a lemon, but me, you guys know, blueberry's my favorite. Okay. Oh my, look at those. They are making my mouth water. Okay, you think it's time to try one?
Yeah, I think so. Looks delicious.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go for this one right here. Look, they just kind of stand up on their own too. So that tortilla's nice and crunchy. Okay.
It's good, huh?
It's so good.